Hey, connect.
Hold on. Okay, one, two, three.
Grouping initiated.
Oh, the top one?
Searching for group. Grouping succeeded.
Oh,
Hello.
who's there? Damn! Welcome to Cardo World, Pogi!
Oh, shit.
Hell yeah! We got a bonus footage today, guys.
Oh, no.
Oh, what's going on? So, Pogi has a new helmet setup. Sup, YouTube? Welcome to Vegas, Vespa Pogi! Hey, folks, you have to lead us because we need to be on your 360.
Well, you guys have fun, right? No show?
Right, folks, here. Go up front. Just make. Well, you gotta say something, man. You gotta say something.
So where are we gonna go?
Welcome
Lake
to my
Mead?
channel.
We're going to Lake
Let's keep
Mead?
going. Let's keep going. Mike Bomac. What's up, vlog? Welcome to my channel. What's up, Pogi? Come on, folks.
So now you guys gonna hear me this time, huh?
Oh, yeah. You're not a loner.
No more lonely Pogi? Yo, that power light looks
Oh.
good.
I got new rollers, guys. It's fast now, boy. They got new rollers in there? Hey. What'd you put? 12.5 grams all around. 12.5 all around? Got it? Go ahead, folks. Take the lead. 360 gaming! You gotta say something, bro.
Hold on, man. I'm like fucking nervous right now.
Why?
Huh?
Why nervous, man?
Cause I'm not relaxed. I don't know why. Maybe I gotta I gotta smoke some weed.
You gotta smoke some, okay. You gotta smoke some weed. What the fuck? Man, look at Pogi, you got a GoPro now. Hey, we have to check the view, the angle later.
Oh,
Yeah. Hey, folks, tilt your camera forward a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit more.
how's that?
Okay, that should be okay. Try that. We'll try that first. We can adjust when we get to the ice cream place.
Okay.
The milkshake's gonna bring all the boys in the yard.
Milkshake.
Beavers? Beavers? Okay, it's gonna be on the right, I think, before the stoplight actually.
Okay.
Get that. Yeah, by five guys.
Like five guys. So in here? There it is.
Yeah, next one. Boogie, have you tried five guys?
Five at a time, you know.
There you go. Test ride for the audio test. For Pogi. Damn, that light is good. Yeah, boy. Okay, let's try this together. So you press that, and then Pogi, you take the lead. Just keep riding around Summerlin downtown. Kung napunta tayo ng ulan dito, hindi pa na nagpo-vlog, no? Wala pa, no? Ultra Estrada? Oh,
Oh, yeah.
we are. Naka-vlog yun actually.
It's somewhere there.
Yeah.
Check the playlist, guys.
Check nyo na yung playlist. Nanggaling na kami dito pero naka-multistrada kami. Yan! What's up, Pogi? You gonna say anything to your vlog, man? Are you still nervous?
Maybe.
Maybe. Hey, it's a stop sign, Pimpin. But nobody's around, so.
But nobody's around. You gotta do the California stop.
California stuff. And this is downtown Summerlin. It's a what you call this?
Tamanin.
Outdoor mall where the rich people goes.
So it's sort of like Eastwood in the Philippines, but
Oh,
without
yeah.
without the big ass mall.
It's like Eastwood.
That's a coffee shop right there, but that's closed.
Just I don't think something is open in this area.
So we'll make a right again. I'm a left.
Yeah,
So make a left.
Just keep going around. Let's make some noise here. Oh, is that a popo?
Popo.
Is that
That's
a
a
popo?
popo. And you're on the wrong way.
Huh?
Is this one way? It's not one way, right?
I don't know.
Pogi don't give a shit. Oh shit, the New York Pizza is still open? No, it's closed.
Bonanos. We can park by the motorcycle parking that we used to park there. By the
Okay.
falls. By the falls.
Where the waterfalls across.
Huh? By Magianos.
Mangiano.
I'll make a ride over there.
Yeah, somebody's there.
Oh, right there. Yep. We can park there. Or, yeah. Go to, folks, fix your bike.
Oh, backwards.
Come on, man.
Hindi mo mahangin eh. Huwag ka naman sana malaglag.
Okay na. It should be good. It should be good.
Alright.
We made it to downtown Summerlin, guys.
Tambay ski muna tayo dito.
Pero may falls dito eh. Hindi naman falls, parang water feature lang. Yan o.
Pogi, press it again.
Press which one? This one?
No, no.
Did you turn it both?
Yeah.
Okay, hit the...
What, folks?
You're gonna go to the Chevron on
Oh no, the Sharon,
oh in the corner of Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Okay.
yeah. Oh yeah, there's a shell there.
Okay, hold up. Now I forgot my gloves.
Oh, now it's your turn, huh?
It's your turn now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just planning to make a 15-minute video, now it's 25 minutes.
More watch hours for you, bro. Yeah, but it would have been nice if those parts came in this weekend, huh?
Yeah. Go back to work like, I thought you had a stiff neck. Yeah.
Charleston Boulevard.
Hey, folks,
Yeah.
before we make it to the gas station, you should say bye to your vlog, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna hear you. Don't be shy.
No pressure, folks. Okay, we're like that too.
No
In the
pressure, no
beginning.
pressure.
No pressure. Just do it like nobody's watching, man.
Do it like nobody's watching. Only us.
wasn't showing on yours. It was showing 74 on mine.
Oh, really? I like it.
That's the sweet spot, 12.5
12.5.
all around.
Okay.
Keep
I'm
going.
gonna,
No,
I'm
take
gonna
it.
use this for.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna use this to work tomorrow.
Okay, I send it. Oh, scooter, baby, let's go.
What's up, scooter gang gang? Beep beep. Hey dog, what's up?
Alright guys, thank you for joining us tonight.
Huh?
I'm gonna be signing off on my vlog tonight. Thanks for watching. And see you guys on the next one.
Let's go.
Well,
Chill.
just not this one, right? The next one?
Is this Buffalo? Durango.
No, I think it's
That's
Durango.
Buffalo.
One more.
Huh?
This one in
No,
Buffalo.
one more.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's Durango. Is there a shell there too?
Yeah, in the corner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, with Roberto's.
Okay.
Go under the light. Go under the light. Then folks, you get out of the bike.
What do you mean?
Say bye to that. Say bye.
Bye, Calvin.